everyone, it's Vicky here from Crafty Heaven and thank you very much for joining me today. Today we have a new release from Simply Made Crafts and this is called Simply Scrapbooking. So as you can see, we have a mixture of items here. So we have some Simply Made craft products, also creative craft products and some textures, and both these have been moved over to Helen to release with this new collection from Simply Made Crafts. So we have got some chipboard covers to make some mini albums, and also you can see here we have these binding pages, and the idea of this is you can do some journaling pages as well as mini album pages, so you can mix them both in one album, which I'll show you later on. So here we have the tool where you stitch your binding onto your cover, and it's really simple and easy to use, and it comes with these tools here to do your stitching, and this is an example of the stitching on the covers. So you can see you've got your normal pages for the mini albums, and then you've got the journaling pages that we've stitched in. We are also getting some 12 by 12 pattern paper. This is called Floral Ledge. You'll recognise some of the designs because they were from a previous collection and they've brought them back, as well as some new designs, and I think these coordinate perfectly with all the textures and Simply Made craft products that's in this collection. We also have the medium album die set. I've also used a couple of items from Helen's collections in the past. So we have the bookbinding tool and then the stamp and die set, just to decorate the album and put together. We also have the journaling cards and the washi tape from past collections come back, and they are absolutely stunning. Again, coordinate with that paper pad. So now we're moving on to the textures items that Helen has took over. So we have different sized envelopes, we have pocket envelopes, and we have some cards to add into your album. And then we also have a kit that has some beautiful papers, stickers, journaling cards, you name it, it's in that kit, and this is perfect to have in your stash, and you have a whole kit to decorate your album. So you can see it is a vintage theme kit and it's absolutely gorgeous. Next we have some washi tape, and it has adhesive on the back, and I used this for my spine on one of the albums. And the good thing is, like I said, it has adhesive on the back, but also you can cut these up and just use elements from that washi tape for your project. So we have 3 different styles of washi tape, again all vintage themed. So now I'm going to show you my samples. So this is my album using Simply Made craft products, and we have my first page that I did a page layout, and I've used the die and stamp set to make my photo mats and the pockets. I've got a paperclip die cut there, and also a pull-out photo mat or journaling card, and you can add pockets to these, you know, loads of photo mats, and it's perfect for your photographs. Then you can see at the back here we have the journaling pages, and I've done a double page layout. And then we have the album that I used a mixture of Simply Made crafts and textures products. So here it is, and you can see that beautiful washi tape on the spine. This one I did 2 stitches of pages for this album, and I've added a double pocket layout on the inside cover, and I did a double mat layout on one of the pages on here, and I think it's absolutely lovely. So I hope you enjoyed the the products and I've had a look at my samples. As always, products will be listed down below, so go and check them out over on Craft World. And take care, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.